Hey everyone, this is Cam with Plotter Depot, back with another video. Had some calls coming in and seen some posts on the Facebook about cuts that aren't completing, that are missing their mark. And one of the biggest reasons for that will be that the film has not been loaded evenly. And so if you can show at the top, they won't be at the same inch mark. And one of the fastest way on the workhorse, we have the ruler here, which will help. But you can even sometimes see it by sight, just by looking at the film as it comes out. You'll notice out the rollers if it is, and it'll run itself off. Obviously, this is more dramatic than normal. This is not how it normally would be, but that will be one of the instances of it being off. And so one of the fastest ways to fix this is to bring the film through, lock it back in place, and then you will cut a new edge. Most plotters will have some form of trough, and that is one of the fastest ways to get there. Just slice along there. And then from there, with the Workhorse 2, we do have rulers on both sides. So if you come over the top of it, you can see on each side that it is now lined up with the 50-inch mark here, and the 14-inch mark here and over there. So the film is now more likely to come through cleanly and evenly once it's reset. Another way though, and the more tricky way, is if you are sure that your plotter, if the roll is on evenly, the media rollers themselves can become bent. They can become damaged if you drop a piece of film on it too heavy, or PPF or something like that. You can bend them. And the fastest way to check that is to take them off and find a smooth surface and roll them over that. And if you hear a click noise like it's tapping harder, that means your media rollers are bent and you're gonna need to replace that. That can also throw off your rolls or your cuts. But yeah, those are the biggest issues for what causes it. You can also run into issues with the rollers having different amounts of tension, and so the knurled roller underneath will pull harder because of more tension, but that's pretty much everything.